Brittany with WTI, and when you're camping, it's important to take care of the basic needs, like cooking your food and keeping warm. And this MOZODAWN propane heater cook stove checks both of those off my list. It is so easy to attach the hose. The switch has a starter, and so I held it down until the fire got going and then tilted it up a little bit and it stayed on. You can use it to heat up water, cook your food, and if it is really cold in the morning or you're doing winter camping, you don't have to worry, you can stay warm. It has a little switch on the side that you can go from heater to cooking. And again, you are needing to make a stew or anything like that, it just makes things so much easier. You're not having to cook on a tiny little stove that you're worrying is going to topple over, and also has a convenient carry handle. You can easily put it in the bear box or in your camping gear. This was just such a nice thing to kill two birds with one stone, to be able to cook our food and stay warm when it was cold. And that's my point of view.